In this video, we will learn what is an algebraic expression and how algebraic expressions are made using variables. Consider this wire. Let's bend it 3 times at equal distances so as to make a square. The square has been completed, but what is this? We are left with 3 centimeters of wire as surplus. If we talk about number 3, then its value is fixed. A number whose value is fixed is called as a constant. But if we talk about sides of the square, we don't have the measurements. This is unknown. A number whose value is unknown, or if it can vary, then such a number is called a variable. If we express the side of the square by L, then will you be able to get the total length of the wire in the form of a variable? Here, the length of one side of the square is L. So the length of the 4 sides will be 4 times L, that is 4L. If the length of the remaining wire is added to this length, then we will get the total length of the wire in the form of variable L. Now what we have here is called an expression. Since a variable is used in this expression, it is called an algebraic expression. Expressions are made of some parts consisting of numbers and variables such as 4L and 3, which are separated by the plus or the minus sign. These are called terms of the expression. Now look at this expression. 3 into 5 minus 7. There is no variable used here. In fact, all numbers have fixed values. Such expressions are called numeric expressions. Since numeric expressions consist of fixed numbers, it is easy to solve and obtain their values. But when we talk of variables, then their values are not fixed. And so for this reason, their values cannot be obtained. But one point here is definite, that if the value of the variable is given, then the value of the algebraic expression can also be obtained. For example, if the measure L is 4 centimeter, then we can substitute this value in the algebraic expression and solve it. This will give us the length of the wire as 19 centimeters. With this understanding, let us now learn how to form algebraic expressions. Operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be performed on constants. Surely variables can have different values, but even they are numbers. And so, the operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be performed on variables as well. Using these operations, we can form algebraic expressions. Let's understand this with an example. Here is a box which consists of some toys. Let's express their numbers with variables x. If we remove 2 toys from the box, then how many toys will be remaining in the box? There will be x minus 2 toys in the box. This is also a variable expression. Similarly, if we keep 2 more boxes with the first box, each having an equal number of toys, then what will be the total number of toys? The total number of toys will be 3 multiplied by x, that is 3x. Similarly, if half of the toys are removed from the box, then how many toys will remain? It will be x by 2. We hope that you have understood the concept of algebraic expressions. In the next video, we will In the previous video, we have learnt that expressions in which variables, numbers, and symbols of different operations are used are called algebraic expressions. Now come, let's find solutions to examples based on them. Identify which of the following are algebraic expressions and explain how they have been formed. Look at these expressions carefully. We can see the use of variables in them. Look at these expressions carefully. These are called algebraic expressions. If we look at them carefully, we see that these expressions have fixed numbers and there is no variable. Hence, these expressions are not algebraic expressions. Let's understand how algebraic expressions are formed. Z plus 4 is formed by adding 4 to the variable z. 7r minus 9 is formed by multiplying variable r by 7 and then subtracting 9 from the product. Y by 3 plus 2 is formed by dividing y by 3 and then adding 2 to the quotient. Minus 3x plus 8 is formed by multiplying variable x by minus 3 and then adding 8 to the product. There are n sweets in each box shown on the screen. If 3 sweets from each box are distributed, then write an algebraic expression for the total number of sweets. Find the total number of sweets when n is equal to 4. There are 5 boxes, each containing n sweets. If 3 sweets from each box are distributed, then the remaining number of sweets in each box will be n minus 3. So, the total number of sweets in 5 boxes will be 5 into n minus 3. If we multiply 5 with each number in the bracket, we will get 5 into n minus 5 into 3, which is equal to 5n minus 15. It is the algebraic expression for the total number of sweets in the boxes. Now let's find a solution to another question. Here, the value of n is given as 4. If the value of a variable is given, then while substituting this number in the expression, we must multiply it with the number before the variable. Therefore, 4 will be multiplied by 5. The product is 20 and 20 minus 15 will be 5. Hence, when n is equal to 4, then the number of remaining sweets will be 5. Next example. Vikas is twice as old as Dinesh, but Madhu is 5 years younger than Vikas. Considering the age of Dinesh as x, write an algebraic expression for Madhu's age. Is it possible to find the value of this expression? It is very important to understand the given information for converting a statement into an expression. Here, Vikas is older because his age is twice the age of Dinesh and Madhu is 5 years younger to him. If we consider the age of Dinesh as variable x, then the age of Vikas can be written as 2x. Now Madhu is 5 years younger than Vikas. So, can you tell the expression for Madhu's age? Pause the video and try to solve it. For Madhu's age, we can write the expression as 2x minus 5. In this way, we have written an expression for Madhu's age. The value of these algebraic expressions cannot be determined as the values of the variables are not fixed. From these examples, we learned how to identify the expression and find out how they are formed. In addition to do this, we have also learned to form an expression with the given information. In the next video, we will learn some misconceptions about expressions. Till now, we have learnt about algebraic expressions. We have also solved some examples to understand them better. There are some misconceptions associated with the algebraic expressions which make them difficult to understand. Let's try and clear them. Misconception 1. Manu's age is X years. Manu is 2 years younger than Harsh. What will be the expression for Harsh's age? Many times, the information is expressed in the same way as it is read. With this understanding, the answer x minus 2 is obtained, which is the wrong answer. Here, x plus 2 is the right answer. To obtain the correct expression, it is very important to understand the given information. Here, you can create a table for the age of Manu and the age of Harsh. Harsh will be 3 years old when Manu is 1 year old. Harsh will be 4 years old when Manu is 2 years old. And similarly, the table can be extended. By identifying the relationship between numbers, it can be concluded that Harsh's age is 2 years more than Manu's age. So the correct answer to the given question is x plus 2. Misconception 2. Find the value of 5x where x is equal to 3. While obtaining the value of an expression, when the value of the variable is known, often the variable is replaced with its value. By doing so, the answer 53 is obtained, which is the wrong answer. When keeping the value of the variable in the expression, this value must be multiplied with the number written before the variable. With this understanding, the correct answer is 15. Misconception 3. What will you get on solving 2x plus 4? Because of lack of understanding of variables, the letter used for them is often ignored, with which the result of the given expression is written as 6 or 6x. These are wrong answers. The value of algebraic expressions like 2x plus 4 cannot be determined. Only if the value of the variable is given, then the value of these expressions can be obtained. Misconception 4. Which of the following expressions is not alike? There is a multiplication sign in each expression except in 5m by 2. With this understanding, most of the time the answer given is 5m by 2. This is a misconception. Similarly, not understanding that division by 2 is the same as multiplication by 1 by 2, the answer 1 by 2 into 5m is given, which is also the wrong answer. Because of a lack of understanding of commutative property of multiplication, m by 2 into 5 is given as the answer. Here, options 1, 2 and 4 are equal, but in 5 by 2 into m by 2, 2 has been divided twice, and so option 3 is not equal to these options. So the correct answer is 5 by 2 into m by 2. We hope that many of your misconceptions have been cleared with this video and that now you have a good understanding of expressions.